Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Jessica from goodenoughandstuff.com. Today we'll be making an underskirt. To make the skirt you need a slip, wide lace, thread, elastic, a sewing machine, and pins. I'll put the blog post down below and you can find links for the materials there. I need to attach the lace to the bottom of the slip, but the slip is stretchy and the lace isn't because the lace is cotton, so I need to make it stretchy also, and the way that I'm going to do that is by attaching some elastic to the top of the lace. Set your sewing machine to the zigzag stitch, sew a few stitches to secure the elastic to the fabric, then stretch the elastic as you sew it to the lace, but keep the lace flat. This will create really beautiful folds in the lace and give it the stretch it needs. My kids are in the next room playing, so you might hear some of their noises, and my 1-year-old likes to yell Batman anytime he's doing anything, so you might hear that. There are also links to all the dresses that I'm wearing in my blog post. You can really see here how the zigzag stitch allows the elastic to stretch and shrink without ripping any stitches. Set your machine back to the regular stitch, put your ends together right sides together, and sew down the side to make a loop of fabric. Cut the extra fabric off the top just above where the elastic is connected. Lay your slip out flat on the ground and mark each side with a pin. Now pick your slip up and turn it so that the pins meet in the middle and put a pin on either side again. Do the same thing for the lace. Put the slip inside the lace and decide how far down you want the lace to be attached. Put something flat and hard in between the slip layers. This will make it easier to pin the lace to the slip without pinning all the way through to the other side and sometimes into the carpet. I'm using the scallops at the bottom of the lace to guide how it overhangs the slip. Make sure the lace overhangs the slip the amount that you like, then start matching up the pins. Pin the lace to the slip at the top of the lace. Keep turning the slip over, match the pins up, and pin the lace to the slip until you have all sides pinned together. You can see here that I have the pin at the top of the lace and the pin at the bottom of the slip, and I'm trying to kind of line them up and then pin the lace to the slip. Here I'm showing you can see the line of the slip underneath the lace, so you can see how it kind of hits the top of the scallops, and I'm just using that as the guide. As much as I hate pinning, you're going to need more than 4 pins to put this baby together, so go ahead and flatten the sections in between and put another pin in between the sections that have pins. Put your machine back on the zigzag stitch. Slip your underskirt underneath the presser foot, making sure you're only going through 2 layers at a time. And sew the lace to the slip, making sure you stretch it as you sew. And you're done! This turned out so beautiful, I just love it. I love how wide the lace is so that when you lift up your arms, you don't just see your weird slip and all the weird sewing that you might have done like I did. And I think it makes all my dresses look lovelier and classier, and it's just so beautiful. I hope you try it. Thanks for watching my video. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my website, goodenoughandstuff.com, for more instructions, other recipes, simple crafts, and tips for a happy home. I'll leave a link in the description. You can also sign up for my weekly-ish newsletter and get notifications when I release content and free ebooks. Thanks for stopping by. Come back for the next video. I'll see you there.